Chilled Korean milk jelly, a budget dessert for 4 people, ready in 30 minutes plus chilling. 2 cups of milk, the base for our chilled milk jelly. 1 cup of heavy cream to make the jelly silky and creamy. 3 tablespoons of sugar to add gentle sweetness. 2 teaspoons of gelatin powder to set the jelly firmly yet tender. 2 tablespoons of cold water to bloom the gelatin. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a warm aromatic note. 1 cup of mixed seasonal fruit, diced, to top the jelly. 2 tablespoons of honey to drizzle over the fruit. Fresh mint leaves for a bright finishing garnish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of gelatin powder over 2 tablespoons of cold water and let it bloom for 5 minutes. While the gelatin blooms, warm 2 cups of milk with 3 tablespoons of sugar in a small saucepan over low heat until the sugar dissolves, about 3 to 4 minutes, do not boil. Remove the milk from the heat and stir in 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until combined. Add the bloomed gelatin to the warm milk mixture and whisk until fully dissolved, about 30 seconds. Pour the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a measuring jug to remove any undissolved bits. Let the mixture cool slightly at room temperature for 10 minutes before pouring into 4 serving bowls. Cover the bowls with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until fully set. Prepare 1 cup of mixed seasonal fruit by dicing into small uniform pieces while the jelly chills. When the jelly is set, remove the bowls from the refrigerator and top each with 1/4 cup of the diced fruit. Drizzle 2 teaspoons of honey over each bowl, adjusting sweetness to taste. Garnish each serving with a few fresh mint leaves and return to the refrigerator for 10 minutes to chill before serving. Serve chilled and enjoy the light, creamy texture. Now we'll finish and close the recipe. A simple chilled Korean milk jelly ready to enjoy. If you liked this recipe, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick desserts.